Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm going to give you some great tips to get the best tax refund. Now, one of the things you can do is to have a home-based business. Now, my husband and I actually have had some home-based businesses before and have been very successful. There's more to having a home-based business than just selling your product or your service. You need to know how to set up the bookkeeping, and knowing some great tax deductions can help get the best tax refund. You can take a class and learn about those. You can pick up one of the IRS publications on business deductions. But I'm going to give you several really good tax deduction tips. The first one is related to the business usage in your home. And so you need to know what the square footage is of what you use specifically for business, and then you also need to know the square footage of your home or apartment, and then you divide one into the other and you get a percentage. And so the percentage that you use for business is the percentage that you can deduct off of utilities that you've paid, your rent, your mortgage, any kind of repair or maintenance that you've put on the building or even inside, say cleaned the carpets, that kind of thing. It's all tax deductible, that percentage of it. Okay, the second tip is automobile related. And there's two methods. One is called the actual expense. And so you have to keep track of your mileage, for total miles for the year, and then you have to keep track of what miles you put on your vehicle that are strictly for business. Say if it's a vehicle that you've used for both personal and business, so you've got to keep track of your business miles. So then you figure out the percentage that's used for business, then that's the percentage of deduction that you can take on any expense that you put on the vehicle during that year. It could be registration, your automobile payment, your car payment. It can be insurance. It could be any kind of repair. If you bought new tires, anything like that, those are all tax deductible. The second part, or the second method of the automobile deduction, is just knowing how many miles you put on your vehicle each year for business, and then you multiply that with the IRS established cents per mile, and that can change from year to year, and that's a simpler method. So the third tip is if you have a home-based business, hire your spouse or your child. And so you set it up, if you're going to hire your spouse or your child, you've got to have the proper documentation. And then, so anything you pay for wages or payroll taxes, those are all tax deductible. Also, if you hire your spouse, you can go ahead and pay for their medical insurance premium coverage. And then your spouse can elect, which is your employee, your employee can elect to have their spouse covered, which would be you. And so the premiums that you pay for your employee are tax deductible. So those are three really great tax tips for you to get the best tax refund. There are more, but if you want to find out more and how to start a great home-based business, just click on the link or call us or both, and we'd be happy to talk with you. All right, hope you have a great day. Bye-bye now.